This is all the progress I've made on my video game over the course of a year. However, after the first 2 weeks, I got distracted and stopped, coding, so it's more accurate to say that this is the amount of coding I've gotten done after, 2 weeks. The game also has a catastrophic bug, so hopefully that will show up before the end of the video. The game also is in a very prototypey state. This is my first video game, so I'm teaching myself a lot of... You start in, first of all, you get the sign. Basic controls, not really necessary for a prototype because I don't have anybody. This white dot, the camera follows this white dot. It's a basic camera system. We got the spikes. We got this shadow thing follow me. I just got bored and wanted something to follow me around. We'll get to that in a second. We got this yellow thing. We can't get there yet. Kill this enemy. Drops coins. We actually have an attack. Can't attack down. The reminder to add a turtle to the game has been replaced with a sign. Kill this other enemy type. Look, I've added the ability to teleport to separate rooms. I can't open that sign. I don't want to spoil anything. This is going to be interesting. Okay, you pick these up. They're going to have a pretty important functionality in the game. You find these around the world. They're a lot more common in the prototype. Let's show off some of the level design of the map. The basic shape and layout will probably stay the same, but there will be changes, of course. This is a very early development. So basically, every subscriber, I get to make a change to the game. This is what the game looks like with 465-ish changes. Okay, let's kill this guy. Oh, yep, there's the bug. Right there. Basically, for some reason, sometimes, rarely, when you kill an enemy, the game just goes, yeah, I don't want to exist anymore. Okay, I don't know how to get in there. Is it always that guy specifically? Funsies, we're jumping over this guy instead of killing him. Let's kill this guy so he's not in the way. Here, we have our first ability, unlockable ability. I'm not sure if this is where it's going to go in the game, but it's actually something findable in the world. You can pick it up, and it's a sneak ability. Allows you to fit through these. We've already seen a couple throughout the map. More sign lore. Fall down into a town. Blah blah blah. And then those little black things we were picking up. Yeah, they're just going to be NPCs. Okay, this is a shop. Currently, we just have all the movement abilities in here. We got extra lives. We got the max damage increase. This is not where you will get these. I just needed a place to shove them and a way to prototype a shop. So we got a double jump that turns you blue. We got a wall jump. Notice how you can't jump as high in sneak/crouch modes. I don't know how much that's going to be expanded upon. If there's going to be a sneaking section of the game, but it's there. You can also, once you get sneak, get into the water, and you can just drown yourself. I got bored. Okay, I needed to put something there. I think that's basically all I have. That's 460 something changes. 24% of my subscribers have gotten their promised change. My next changes are going to be focused more on the visual aspects of the game rather than mechanics. I'm going to do some basic, not fan art, concept art. Yes. I'm going to maybe add some basic lighting into the game, some camera shakes. I'm not going to really go too into the artwork, but I'm going to just minor things to increase the lookability of the game. That way, when I'm making shorts and videos, you're not looking at whatever this disgusting mess is. Oh, look, the character has a face. Anyways, goodbye. Ah! That didn't fix the crashing bug at all.